Hello, stampers and crafters. My name is Sarah Chatello from Sassy Paper Crafts. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to be showing you a paper pumpkin kit, what it looks like, and some alternates. This is the December 2021 Lots of Pun paper pumpkin kit. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Now, your very first kit, if you're new to paper pumpkin, you will receive a clear block. It looks just like this. If you've had paper pumpkin before, you will not receive one. But these kits are perfect for crafters on the go, somebody who wants to make quick projects. So it comes with a stamp set. All the paper pumpkins have their own stamp set. Sorry, my light is shining. This one is super cute. It also comes with an ink, and this is a great way to build up your ink collection. So this is a Stampin' Spot. It's smaller than our full-size pads, but it is a great way to build up your ink collection. That's Early Espresso. This is also a preview of next month's kit, or this month's kit, Kisses and Hugs. You can subscribe for this one until January 10th. And if you want to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, the link for that is in the description of this video. And there's also prepaid paper pumpkins. You can earn free celebration items by doing this. And you would do this on the Stampin' Up! Website, not the Paper Pumpkin website. So if you'd like to learn more about that, feel free to comment or send me a message and I'll let you know how to get in on celebration with prepaid kits. So when you open it up, it comes in this cute tissue paper. I always save the tissue paper for gifts. Move this out of the way. And this is the kit. So it makes 3 different types of cards, has all the envelopes, everything you need to make these projects. We're going to make something a little bit different. So let me open this up. I already have an idea in mind, and I'm just going to take you guys along with me to see if this idea pans out. I can open the kit. So this is what comes with some embellishments. Dimensionals are in here. Some baker's twine. Glue dots. And then the insert on the other side is actually the instructions on how to make each card. So we're not going to need that because I'm doing something a little bit different. These are all our envelopes. So pretty. So there's 3 different envelopes. Try to get them organized. Those are the envelopes. And then there are card bases. 3 different ones. Oops, I'm losing stuff. There's one of the card bases, which I think I might use that one. There are some vellum circles. Some die cuts. These are also die cuts. More die cuts. It's another of the bases. More die cuts. And the last of the bases. So I think I'm going to use this yellow, which I believe is Daffodil Delight. So let's go ahead and use this base. And because this is the first time I'm even seeing this kit, you get to watch me plan a card. I think I'm going to use one of these vellum circles too. Yeah, I like that. And then maybe one of these. Sure. And I need something for a sentiment. Let's see what sentiment I want. I think I want thanks a bunch, and that will fit on this. Use that guy. And then I need a banana. And also, if you notice, my January host code is down there. If you go shopping with me in January and use that host code, you will receive a special gift from me. So make sure you put that host code in the host code section when placing your order. Hope I'm moving it. So I want to make a little face on my banana. I like to take this flimsy piece of the plastic off, and I just kind of leave the rest on. I'm going to use the banana. I'm going to use the little smiley face. Well, I'll use the big smiley face because I think that goes with the glasses, because I think I want them to have little glasses. And then I'm also going to use Thanks a Bunch. Now, like I said, your first paper pumpkin does come with blocks. Just to save some time, I'm going to use my own block. So this is a B block. I'm going to use a C block, an A block, and then for the glasses, I'm going to use a G block. And then I'm going to grab the Early Espresso, but I'm going to use my larger stamp pad. So for the banana, I want to stamp on my card base. So I'm going to use the Early Espresso. And I'm just going to stamp kind of all over. Just kind of random. I'm kind of turning the bananas as I go. And stamp off a couple. I just want to kind of make my own paper back here. We're going to cover a lot of this up, so you don't have to do the whole thing. And then I'm going to grab, I didn't get it because I didn't know I was doing this. They're right here. I'm going to grab my Daffodil Delight blends. I have the light and the dark here, and I think I'm just going to color these in. And I'm going to open my card up because sometimes the blends bleed through a little bit. So I'm just going to color these quickly. So now that they're all colored in, I was going to go in with the dark, but I think I'm just going to leave it at that. And I'm going to take the little smiley face and ink up my Early Espresso. And I think I want the smaller smileys. I'm going to do the big one on this banana. And then I'm going to get my glasses. And you know what? I might not even give them eyes. Stamp my glasses. Isn't he cute? And I don't know. I'm trying to think if I want to give them faces. While I'm thinking about it, let's stamp our sentiment and then we can clean off our stamps quickly. So I'm using the Thanks a Bunch stamp, and I'm just lining up this label on my grid paper. And you know what? I don't want to give them faces, so I'm going to go ahead and put my ink pad away, and then we can clean our stamps. I use a stamping scrub to clean my stamps. I need a little mist on the wet side, and it tells you in the corners which side is which. And this, to me, is the quickest and easiest way to clean your stamps. So now I can just go ahead and put them back on the sheet so I don't lose them. Oh, there's a little mustache too. I didn't notice that. There's a little mustache stamp. How cute. And I just noticed the little splatter stamp too. So I think I'm going to go in and I'm going to throw this on my C block. Get these out of the way. I'm going to go in with some Daffodil Delight and make some little splatters. I'm going to go ahead and close this back up. And this already has some splatters on it, but I just wanted to give it a little bit more. You know, it will splatter on the inside a little bit too. And see what I mean about it coming through? I'm okay with that. I think it looks cute. But if you don't want your blends to come through, you might want to use Stampin' Right markers instead of the blends to color. They'll still come through a little bit, but not quite as much. Or you could take a piece of Whisper White that maybe is the same size as the card base and just kind of cover it up or put it in there if you don't like it. I don't mind it, so I'm going to keep it. So now we're done with stamping. And I'm just going to take this little strip of color here. I think I'm going to throw that there. So I'm going to grab my seal and just run a strip of that down. You could also use the glue dots that come in the kit. And I'm just going to put that about there. And then I'm going to take a little bit of seal and put it right in the middle of this circle on the vellum piece, because you will see that coming through, and I know my banana will hide it. So, and then I'm going to take out the dimensionals from the kit and the little rhinestone adhesive-y blingy things. I'm going to put a dimensional on the banana, and I'm going to hide where that seal was. Then I'm going to put a dimensional on our sentiment and put it there like he's saying thanks a bunch. And then to finish up this card, I'm just going to take a few of these Daffodil Delight little gems here. And, whoop, I lost one. I'm using my paper piercer to peel them off. I think I'm going to put them on the vellum. Because I did those splatters, they might get lost. So I'm going to take 2 of those, and actually one of these little hearts too. If I can pick it up. They're so tiny. There. I like how that looks. So that is my alternative to this month's paper pumpkin kit. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel to see more. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.